Welcome to our Lattice How-To Guide. In this video demonstration, we will walk you through creating a structured data product with transformations. On Pinboard, select Create a Data Product. On Create a Data Product page, you define your data product. First, add a name. Then add a description, noting the purpose and content of the data product. Moving down to the Natural Language Query field, provide Lattice Copilot with instructions on the data product you want built. Then select Generate, and Lattice will now analyze your instructions and provide you with recommended data sources, tables, and columns. If you need to make changes to Copilot's recommendations, choose Continue to Manual Selection, where you navigate through steps 3 and 4 to select more tables and columns to be included in the data product. Then click Configure Access, and Copilot will start constructing the data product. To help you determine what changes might need to be made to the data product, you can view a sample of the data in the Preview Data tab. Once you've determined what changes you would like to make, you can select the relevant tab. In this demo, we will add a transformation, so we navigate to the Transform tab. Type the transformation into the Natural Language Transformations box. For this example, we will add 2 transformations. Firstly, we want to include 2 columns. After applying this, head back to the Preview Data tab to check the transformation has applied correctly. Then, in the second example, select Transform again and add instructions to filter a column. Once the instructions are complete, select Transform to apply the changes. Then head back to the Preview Data tab and select Load Preview to again preview the data and check through the transformation and review what has been added. You will note that 2 transformations have been applied. Lastly, we want to finalize the data product details before publishing to the Pinboard. Moving to Step 6, you can again preview the data, ensure the data product name, description, and ownership details are correct, add tags, add helpful hints, and lastly, determine the data sensitivity. Once satisfied with the data product details, click Create Data Product to publish the data product to the Pinboard, your data product marketplace, to explore, use, and share.